Let us see on page number 32, second point, that is primary education was neglected because of the emphasis is being given on training of Indian for minor clerical jobs. So primary education, no one was taking care. Only the higher class people were getting the education, and that also there was no combination of theoretical and practical knowledge. Theory was learned different, practical was different. So Indians were not able to use their theoretical means written work, knowledge in their practical life. Then there was no continuity, sequence, revision, and then repetition of their education. We have to get repeated, continuously learning. The neglect of primary. See, remember children, there was a neglect of primary education and decline of the traditional system of education led to the increase of illiteracy in India. Primary level, they were not getting good education. The English education was intended to create a class of Indians who would be English in their thinking and habit and loyal to the British rule. Main important thing, Britishers want that those who are educated, they should be loyal to the British. Now positive effect, point number 2, that is the introduction of English education led to the spread of modern education and modernization in India. Pencil, modernization of India is very important. India became modern. It helps to educate the Indians to develop scientific and independent thinking. Because of education, people started thinking. It brought them in close contact with the scientific ideas of science and technology. Underline that. Science and technology, people started knowing about it of the West. It led to the spread of ideas of nationalism, democracy, and later socialism among the Indians. Then the English education, educated Indians began to lead the social religious reform movements. They did much to modernize the Indian society. So to make the Indian society modern, English education started. Now growth of national education. Let us see. The students took major parts in the Swadeshi and boycott what movement. People started liking our own products in India and they don't want the British products in India. So boycott means to stop the sell in the market. Boycott means rokna. Such students were fined and expelled, and such action forced the students to boycott the Calcutta University. So Calcutta University was boycotted by the students. They don't like that. The conference was held on 10th November 1905, and in this conference it was decided to establish a National Council of Education in order to organize a system of education on national lines and in national hands. Many national schools and colleges were founded. Thus in 1905, with the Swadeshi and the boycott movement, the national education had become a part and parcel of the national movement. This is how this started. Now, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, underline this. He was what? He was the person who started this first. And he opened many schools and colleges in Bengal. Underline with the line. He started Swadeshi. Rabindranath Tagore started Vishwa Bharati at Shanti Niketan. Mahatma Gandhi also introduced a new scheme of education called Nai Talim. And he started many schools. Indian schools started with Indian education. Growth of education in recent years. The government of India has started Operational Blackboard to promote education in India. Operation Blackboard means the basic thing in the villages. The government made education free up to the age of 14 years. It is free. Right to education bill passed by compulsory what education. The government has started was Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan to promote literacy. Underline this. So government is starting Sarva Shiksha means all people should get what? Education. Shiksha means education. Abhiyan means what? This thing, movement. The government has started midday meal scheme. That means food in government school. There are night schools of literacy of farmers in village. Nowadays, e-education, that is smart classes for children in school. There are many websites and modern apps related to self-learning. So this is the end of the lesson, and let us see the conclusion, that is most of the Indian remain illiterate due to the British policy of education. The British spent very small amount of money, only 1 lakh rupees, to spread education in India. There was more emphasis on the theoretical knowledge, theory part, written part, and in the British education. The Britishers want to spread education through only English medium in India because there was a need of Indian clerks working below them for the administrative work. I hope you understood the lesson, children. Read the lesson and underline the words which are hard. And I am sending the hard words, new words, and the PDF of the lesson. You write it in your copies and complete it. I hope you understood the lesson. Good day, children. Have a good day.